In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assembly on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. The tailgate open, we're going to take these two screws out. There's one up here, one down below. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those out. Should be one right here as well. Take that out. Grab the light assembly, just slide it back. Now to take the sockets out, just push down on the tab, twist to the left, slides out. Same with the other two. And there's the light. To replace these bulbs, I'm just gonna grab the bulb and pull it straight out of the socket. This is a 3157 bulb. Line it up, push it in, and you can do the same with the other two. Now take the bulb sockets, line it up, twist it to the right. They all go in order. To the right, and this last one to the right. Line this up, take the screw, line that up, get that started, snug it down, do the same with the bottom one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.